Hi everyone, welcome to my class today. Today, I would like to start by asking you a question. What is your favorite fairy tale? Oh, you love Sleeping Beauty? Okay. Why do you love Sleeping Beauty? Oh, because it was catchy for you. Okay. So, keep that in mind, okay? Today, at the end of the lesson, you will be identifying figure of speech in a story, okay? And you will demonstrate your understanding in a meaningful context, and you will improve your comprehension of story reading, okay? So, my favorite story when I was a child was Snow White and Seven Dwarfs, okay? So, why do you think I am asking you these questions? And also, I share the objective discussion with you. Why do you think I am asking what is your favorite tale or story? Yes, because today we will read a story, okay? So, when we look at Snow White and Seven Dwarfs, we see a lot of figure of speech, okay? What do you understand from figures of speech? Do you have any guess? Okay, yes. It means the symbolism, metaphor, and hyperbole and stuff like that in a story, okay? These are special stories and tales. For example, we generally do not see them on an essay, okay, or on an article. So, if we go with the simile in the story, in the Snow White story, we can see that I remember a sentence and it was like, her skin as white as snow. So we have simile here. It means making a connection with two things, okay? This simile is making a connection with the whiteness and the princess skin, okay? Also, we have metaphor. So, which metaphor do we have in Snow White story? For example, we have mirror. Mirror is talking all the time, right? Why do mirror talking all the time? But metaphor is this. Do you have an idea? Okay. The mirror is the metaphor of reality and information, okay? Because in this story all the time, the queen asking questions to the mirror, to the reality, and the mirror is trying to tell you the truth, okay? And also, we have personification. You know what personification is? We generally see this in tales, maybe it's like personification, so it is like a person, but it is not a person exactly. So did you understand? I guess you do. So personification. For example, in tales, we see that things which are not human can speak, can communicate, can walk, I don't know. They can do the things that normally humans do, okay? So we have many examples in this figure of speech in Snow White story. So now I will share today's story with you, the title, okay? Our title is A Rose for Emily. This is our title today. So, I want you to predict from title, okay? What do you think today's story is about? A rose for Emily. Maybe could it be about a woman? And maybe our main character is Emily, okay? Okay, I will give you a few minutes to think about it. You can discuss with your friends. You can be groups of 3, okay? With the people next to you. And then you can tell me your predicts, okay? Oh yes, maybe Emily has a rose, okay? Yeah, you're right, thank you. Or maybe, oh yeah, you're right too. Maybe this rose has a story, but not Emily. Yeah, maybe it might be. Okay, thank you for guesses. Now, we will move on our other activities.